Today we're going to do a demo of the client-side no-code development system for apps platform, and we're going to show some of the voice features that you may be interested in. What you're looking at is the basic prototype website that everybody starts off with, and it has the basic features. There's you can see there's only a couple of images up at the top, and we're going to show how the client side no code system works. Now remember, the regular system, the full system with the development, deployment, reporting, um, all that stuff still exists, and you can read about it and see it in some of the other videos on the website. So the first thing I want to do is just as an example, I've done some work. We're going to start with this feature. I've added a group of pages for personnel. You can see that it sets up a list of personnel. As you pass your mouse over these items, you can get a preview hint, we call it, and of course the list of people that are in the system. You can sort, you can search, you can, if you have enough people, you can do previous and next to get to the various pages. We're just going to click on the Jimmy, and you can see that the system, with the work I've done in the last half hour or so, here's a page for the personnel, and with each page group you're going to get comments, history, and documents right out of the box. So we can look at some of the comments. You can see it's the similar format. Pass the mouse over, you can see it, or click on it and you can go to it and look for longer comments. For history, every change that you make to the system is recorded, and here's a summary. And as if you click on the detail, you can see that yesterday I changed how many coming to from 10 to 7. And then the documents that I've uploaded, there's 2 documents, and you can click on each of these and look at them, or you can go to this additional button, additional option, where you can swipe, and you can look at the images there. That works, the gestures work on the mobile devices, even as displayed as a website. Okay, I also added another set from this one called qualifications, and I've added qualifications. This is the qualifications of the person, and then for emails that we've sent to these people, you can see I've sent some emails to this particular person, and here's what we've sent. And if you go to the email, you can create a new email right from here. We can accommodate templates for emails and data substitutions, etc. Now what I want to do for this demo is add another button here for websites that this person has developed, and I'm going to go through that in a minute. First, I want to go back to the main menu and do something very simple. We're going to configure this button right here, and we're going to go in and we're going to put an image there. So we've just put a class in for the button, and when it updates, you can see that now it's showing personnel. Okay, I've turned the voice recognition system on, and we're going to walk through just a couple of regular commands on the website itself, and then we'll put on the command and screen to actually operate the client-side no-code development system. personnel, Jimmy, exit, exit, preferences, administration. Okay, I just stepped through a couple of commands. Uh, you can, if you configure your objects properly, the speech recognition system comes with Windows 10, will recognize what you're doing. This is the administration screen. I just wanted to show you that out of the box, you get user maintenance, where you can modify the users that have access to the system, what group they're in. System maintenance gives you the ability to manage your drop-down lists. Report maintenance is the report generator. Access configuration is very powerful. You can configure access each user has to all the options as a group or individually. Um, Icon maintenance allows you to maintain the images that you're using in the system itself. And upload maintenance um, allows you to maintain the documents and images that have been uploaded. Now, one of the features that comes with the demo here is that it has an approval screen. So every time a user updates an image, it goes into the pending list, and a person has to just look at the image. It's presented, boom, boom, boom. You say approve, and then they'll show up. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I have the Windows 10 speech recognition system on, and I'm just going to use it to do a little bit of navigation. Personnel, Jimmy, all right, now I've gotten to the personnel screen, and the whole point of this thing is to add a button that will point to another group of pages uh, created using the no-code system. Right, and we want to put this button right here to set up a series of pages for the websites. Um, Follow along with me. I'm going to turn on the panel for the no-code system and go from there. Initialize computer. Computer. I want to add a new page group.
Do you want to add a new blank page or copied page using button page copy using a new button?
No. No.
Okay.
Page group.
Going to page group.
All right, at this point, we're showing the screen where you can put in information that will get you a series of pages, including the mouse over hint page and the list page, and we're going to do it for the table, the website requests table. And although it's not as convenient, I'm going to do some of this with the voice, the speech recognition. Name of new series. this page. Item ID. Double-click item ID. OK. I'm adding some other fields. Okay, I'm just going to continue adding one or two more fields. This is for the hint. As you mouse over. Then for the detail screen, I'm going to add some fields in there. Now you'll notice that from the metadata on the table, we've identified a drop down for this agree conditions that'll come in. That'll come into play later. For the hint, can add some more. Okay, and this will just this just shows what's going to appear on the three screens. Okay. Everything looks okay. We're going to start. We said this page, so the button will appear on this page, and we're going to hit the accept entries, and then we're going to say OK. Now, this takes about a minute and a half, and at this point, there's 14 web pages being prepared, and the SQL statements are prepared. And we'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, we're back. It took about a minute and a half to prepare those pages, and you can see over here that it put the button right here. Identify 18.
Identify.
Okay, and now we're going to just change
I
the
didn't
name
understand.
of the button. All right, and now we're going to go into that the new pages series, and we're going to create a new item. And we'll submit it. Okay, now you can see it in the list. Identify 18.
Identify. What did you say?
All right, we've moved that button into a better position. And, you know, like before, we could put images in these buttons. We can do whatever we want. All right. Cancel. Exit window. Exit window. And now we're back at the home page, and we've added a new set of pages to the work we've already done, which included a personnel screen, with comments, history, and documents, emails, uh, websites now, and overall, it just took a short time, and that's where we are. Okay, we're back on the screen, and uh, actually the voice recognition was doing things because I was talking and narrating this demo. We're back on the screen now, and I just want to now go back to the just the regular website. Initialize computer, and you can see that the control panel has gone away. We're back at the regular website, and uh, there's just one other feature came up to help, and now we're back at the regular website, and it operates just as it did. Okay, so thanks for looking at the demo, and we covered a lot of ground as usual, and we'll see you next time.